Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a new website. In this video we will take a complete review of this token. So let's get started. But if you are new on this channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification about all the new coming videos, and hit the like button and give your reviews in the comment section. So let's start. Today the topic of discussion is Cobra Coin. In this video we will talk about roadmap, tokenomics, FAQ, Cobra Coin, PancakeSwap, white paper, chart. What is Cobra Coin? CBC. Cobra Coin is a decentralized token on the BSC blockchain. Cobra Coin is aiming to be in the top 100 tokens in the crypto world by providing multiple features like NFTs and Cobra Swap. Our next major move is launching 7,000 custom NFTs which can be staked and traded on our own platform. Cobra Coin also has insane long-term goals like making Cobra Swap a multi-chain swap with Cobra wallets and easy charting. Cobra Coin features NFTs in stage 3 of the roadmap. We will launch and give away a custom Cobra Coin NFT set, Cobra wallet. Together with Cobra Swap, we will develop our own easy-to-use and secure wallet called Wallets CBD. BUSD rewards 2% of every buy sell is redistributed to all CBC holders in BUSD will be increased. Weekly giveaways. Cobra Coin has weekly competitions and giveaways for its community. Cobra Swap, one of our long-term goals in launching Cobra Swap, a cross-chain swap with charting Cobra chain. In stage 4, we will launch a revolutionary blockchain, faster, cheaper, better roadmap. We're talking about roadmap. Stage 1, Cobra Coin launch, 250 Telegram members, publish white paper, giveaways and competitions, website launch, soft marketing. Stage 2, CoinGecko listing, CMC listing, DApp launch, D-app launch, in incense giveaways, aggressive market, 3,000 Telegram members, 1 million market cap. Stage 3, 10,000 Telegram members, static audit, top exchange listing, NFT launch, NFT giveaways, stacking preview, Cobra Swap preview, 10 million market cap. Stage 4, Cobra Swap launch, cross-chain platform preview, record-breaking giveaways, Cobra Locker launch, Cobra Chain launch, cross-chain swap, incense marketing. Stage 5, Cobra is Island, top 20 crypto, revolutionize the crypto space, TBD tokenomics. We are talking about tokenomics. The tokenomics will change in the future. See white paper. BUSD rewards 2% of every transaction distributed to CBC holders in BUSD. You can use it as a source of passive income, marketing and development. 6% of every transaction is added to the marketing wallet. It will be used for development, marketing and giveaways. Liquidity pool. 2% of every transaction is added to the liquidity pool. It's automatic and helps create a price floor stability. FAQs. What is Cobra Coin? Cobra Coin is a decentralized token on the BSC blockchain. Cobra Coin is aiming to be in the top 100 tokens in the crypto world by providing multiple features like a D-app, swap and revolutionary NFTs. Our next big move is launching 7,000 custom NFTs which can be staked and traded on our own platform. How to buy Cobra Coin? CBC. What is Cobra Coin? CBC token address. How is Cobra Coin different? Who is behind Cobra Coin? About. Cobra Coin is a decentralized token on the BSC blockchain. Cobra Coin is aiming to be in the top 100 tokens in the crypto world by providing multiple features like a D-app, swap and revolutionary NFTs. Our next big move is launching 7,000 custom NFTs which can be staked and traded on our own platform. Links: Telegram, Twitter, Discord, D-app. End of video. So friends, our video about token Cobra Coin token ends here, and we will meet again with a new website. Okay, bye.